At the height of the pandemic, most businesses were in survival mode, reducing costs, cutting jobs, and in some cases, shutting their doors for good. Not Aussie Home Loans.
We looked at it as a position of growth, and we went out there to hire an extra 200 mortgage brokers for the demand that we saw that was going to happen, which did happen. So we went out there, and we went out there even stronger to build the business, to get more mortgage brokers to service more consumers.
House prices were forecast to fall by up to 20% this year, but data shows they slipped by only 2%, and already they're rising again. Interest rates were cut 3 times this year to 0.1%, helping thousands of Australians buy into the property market.
6 months ago, I called that the property market wouldn't flounder as much as the big banks were saying, as much as the economists were saying, and it hasn't. At the end of the day, low interest rates have driven a very stable marketplace. For the average mum and dad out there, it's still cheaper for them to buy, in over 50% of cases, cheaper to buy a property, to get a mortgage, than it is to rent. And that's been driving a lot of this buoyancy in the real estate market throughout the year.
John Symond stepping down as chairman must be a big thing for you, passing the baton from one Symond to another.
Yeah, look, I've been very fortunate. I've been with this business since I was 19 years of age, for 30 years nearly. And John and I have worked together very closely for all that time. So it was a very seamless transition for the business, which has been awesome, and John is still an icon for this business.
The Australian economy lifted itself out of recession in the September quarter. Aussie is expecting more growth in 2021, but remains cautious.
I still think 2021 is going to be challenging for most businesses. You need to have your hands on the wheel. You need to understand your costs. You need to understand where you get your revenue lines. So you need to be more focused on your business than ever before. So I don't think that we're out of the woods yet. I think for the next 12 and 24 months, it's still going to be a challenge, but there's still huge opportunity out there for everyone.
Edward Boyd, Sky News.